race here with some Redsport. He says that we raced before. I don't even honestly remember. I'm not even gonna lie. So we'll see what's up right now. And he says that he's got no downpipe, but that shit's louder than stock. So it's gotta have some type of delete, some type of muffler delete, resonator delete, or something like that. Oh shit. It's a GTI. Alright, so we're gonna do a 40. We're gonna do a 40. Redsport. Alright guys, he let off like at about 120 on my speedo, and it looked like he was doing, I was like about a car and a half in front. At 130 I probably would have put maybe 2 cars. So that's he claims stock Redsport, but it sounds like it's got some type of exhaust. Good race nonetheless. I think he's gonna probably head out. Alright guys, we got a C63, not sure if he's tuned or not, but we're gonna try out a little 30 roll. Oh shit, we're winning, yo, we're winning. Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. Holy shit! Holy shit! Ah! No way! No way! 150! 150! Oh! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap! Yo guys, we just took a C63. Holy shit! The naturally aspirated one, yo. That guy has beaten me before twice, and I finally got him, yo. Holy crap!
I try to just like just say yeah, but it as a and then pay for my next ones and you mentioned it so many times after. I let you see me tell you how you see me tell you how bad my nails and brows are and shit, and yet you just stay quiet. Like and I tell you so you're saying this makes my shit. And you're telling me that that's what's even now, so I gotta use my savings because I can't even ask my money.
That's game, yo. That's game. Yo, you ready, yo? Ready. All right, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. All right. god. We took off, and as soon as the boost kicked in, all I saw was nothing on my passenger side. We were gone. Oh my god. Oh hell nah. I know, right? What the fuck? Oh man, we could have bet $1,000. Could have bet the title of the cars, yo, against that one. You could have paid off my car here tomorrow, and it's Monday. Banks are open. Oh hell no, he's behind us.
Go ahead. I put traction on. Come on.
Again?
Yeah.
All right.
Ready, set, go. I think my traction on.
Yeah, traction off is better.
What a retard.
$133, and we clicked out. The Benz lost. That's pretty bad. Alright guys, here we go. You already know. Alright, so we got ourselves a fucking C63 AMG. Wants it from the hull. Feels confident. A 30 roll? On the way back, if you want. Alright. Alright. Alright, he's getting ready, launch control. Ready? Murder, yo, murder! Oh my god, it's game, yo. It's game, 120. Quarter mile. C63 down, yo. C63 down, yo. Oh my gosh, guys. This is where it gets interesting. Man, some good shit, yo. Some good runs, yo. Some good runs. He wants to try it out from a 30 roll. Hopefully that gives him a better chance, because obviously from the dig, all-wheel drive does what it does. Like I said, all-wheel drive is king, but I'm going to say it does what it does. Let's go check out what he's going to say. Oh, he's not going to say nothing. He's just going to line it up. Alright, guys. Oof. We've been moving just from spot to spot today, man. I'm not even going to lie about it. I'm right now alone in the car. It would have made a difference if I had a passenger, probably. So, but we're going to try out a little roll right now to make it fair for him. Ready? Ready? All right. Oh my god. 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 Oh, 120 again, yo. Fuck that. Fucking like 4 cars, yo. Bro, that's a... Yo, my bad for the cursing, guys. That's a whole C63 AMG. All right. Go ahead. All right, guys, we gotta serve a Type R. All right, you ready?
Yeah. Ready?
It's game for the Jag. 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 120. 125. 130. 130 is game for the Jag. Holy moly, did it take us like a whole football field to break from there. Don't want to eat them brakes, gotta save them brakes, guys. Just killed a Type R. Type R, right? Is it Type R? Jaguar F Type R? F Type R? The Jag just continued. Alright guys, we're doing good, man. We're doing real good, man. We're doing real good. Today, had a couple runs earlier. Got some more runs in right now. Man, we killed some big dogs today. It's called, you know what that's called? That's called a really good tuner. That's called knowing your car, putting in that work. That's all it is, guys. That's all it is. I'm gonna probably keep posting more. I'll probably start doing more of this POV stuff, point of view. I kind of like having the camera on top and I'm able to just look around and record. Y'all can enjoy the view, enjoy the racing, you know what it is. All Mexico runs, all that type of stuff, enjoyable stuff, you know what I mean? So we're gonna end it real quick and we'll probably cut off to another one. If not, we're gonna probably be done for the night, guys.